All right, boys, got Dad with me. We just got back with the new project. So here it is. Bardons Oliver #2. It's gonna be a fun one. All right, boys, so here she is in the shop. Big oil pan under there, full of oil. So it's in really good shape. I know it looks really dirty, but I think it's going to clean up. But everything works on it. Everything truly works really well. This is going to be more of just a cleanup, maybe paint project. There's not going to be too much of, not going to have to machine too many parts here, maybe a couple, but there she is. So this is going to be the next big project, and just going to show you some of the tooling that came with it. So got a nice big 3-jaw here. Bunch of tool holders, some tooling, and a whole rack of collets that came with it, which is great. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Next big project coming up. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, it does have the bar feeder that comes with. Probably won't utilize this very much, if at all, but it did come with, so